Cooper with DSI Automotive here, and we have finally reached the festive month of December. Happy holidays to you all. Let's jump right into it. Here's what's new this Wednesday at DSI Automotive for December 2025. So we've got a whole bunch of new stuff here at DSI, starting off first with Bio Bombs. So Bio Bombs offer air fresheners with unmatched longevity, supplying 60 plus days of fragrance. Each pack comes with 2 applications for extended use. We currently are stocking 5 different scents: Iced Out, New Car Nectar, Vanilla Cream, Fresh AF, and Vitamin C. Also from Bio Bombs is their Vehicle Deodorization kits. So these kits release pure chlorine dioxide gas to neutralize odors at the source. Additionally, from Bio Bombs, we have their oxygenator aerator pump. So this is to be used with that Vehicle Deodorization kits to drastically decrease odor elimination and cut treatment time down to an hour or less. With these 2 products, we also have a promo where if you buy 10 of the Vehicle Deodorization kits, you will get an oxygenator for free. That runs all December long, ends December 31st. We also have 3 new products from the Rag Company. First is the No Soak Coating Kit. So the Rag Company took 2 of its coating application essentials for your car and combined them into 1 kit. The kit includes 2 of the No Soak applicators, as well as 3 of the edgeless pearl weave towels. Second, we are now carrying the 25 packs of microfiber towels in the Rag Company in 7 different colors. And finally, the all-purpose terry towels are available in 12 packs in 5 different colors: green, red, yellow, midnight, and gray. New from Seat Cover Solutions is their Pet Suite Hard Bottom Dog Seat Cover. Now these are available in 2 different styles, 1 style for trucks and 1 style for cars and SUVs. Features include a 300-pound weight limit, 40% more room in your back seats, and they're very easy to clean. Literally just got done filming a video on that. That will be uploaded here soon, and you guys have got to check that out on our YouTube or Facebook. New from WorkSport is their HD3 cover. So now the HD3 uses the same platform as the WorkSport AL4, but without the vertical storage. It can also be locked midway for extra security. We have select part numbers of the HD3 in stock right now. New from Pucko are their Stinger and Excalibur lights for Ford trucks. So the Stinger lights light up the rear of your vehicle with mounts and wiring, which install right into your third brake light. 0 assembly is required and no drilling is necessary. The Excalibur light gives you an LED third light tail lamp option with customizable turn signal patterns. The EXP truck caps from Weston Automotive are now available in a gloss white finish, so they have their original black and now a new gloss white. Real Truck is having some price reductions on select cover lines, which just started last week. Products under the Truxedo and Backline should be more competitively priced now and are live on our website now. This month only, save 17% off the mighty HP 120 10-gallon extractor when you purchase $300 worth of detailing chemicals. You also receive 2 free gallons with the purchase of the HP 120, AutoMagic's fabric and carpet cleaner, and P&S's Terminator enzyme cleaner. There's still time to get in on part of the cash card giveaway from AgriCover. Any order placed of 3 covers or more will qualify for Visa gift cards through December 31st. WeatherTech has extended its 4th quarter promotion for this week only, December 8th through December 12th. Buy 5 WeatherTech items and receive 2 WeatherTech items free, but they must be from the same category. That wraps up our 2025 edition of What's New Wednesday. I hope to see you return next year for our January edition in 2026. Here's to hoping you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.